Hello student, today we learn about the ratio detector. This one is the circuit diagram of ratio detector. Here this ratio detector is to provide the amplitude limiting action along with the frequency demodulation. Means to make the output immune to the amplitude variation in a FM signal. So here if we compare this circuitry with the Foster-Cili discriminator, then we find that this D2 direction is reverse and a large value capacitor connected across the output terminal of the circuitry. After the several input cycles, this shunt capacitor CS charges to the peak value of the secondary voltage. This reactance is low, so the RS provide the DC path for the diode current. The RS time constant is large, so that the rapid changes in the amplitude of the input signal due to the thermal noise or interfering signal are shorted to the ground and have no effect on the voltage across the capacitor. This C3 and C4 charges discharges proportional to the frequency changes in the input signal, and it is relatively immune to the amplitude variation in input signal. At the resonance, the voltage get divided across equally across the C3 and C4, and it get redistributed as the input frequency deviate above the carrier frequency or below the carrier frequency. And at the resonance, this V out is not equal to 0, but it rather the half of the secondary voltage. Now, as the input voltage increases, the secondary voltage also increases, the current flow through the diode increases, ultimately the load current increases. As the load current increases and the voltage across this CS capacitor is almost constant, the load impedance get decreased. Because of the decrease in the load impedance, the damping on the secondary increases. The tank circuit Q start decreasing, the gain of the circuitry start decreasing, and this will counteract the increase in the FM input voltage. Similarly, if the FM signal input voltage decreases, the overall impedance of this circuitry decreases, the damping on the secondary reduced, the Q of the tank circuit increases, ultimately the gain of the circuitry increases, and thus the ratio detector provide the limiting action.